Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to become a homeowner? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to take you through the step-by-step process of getting a mortgage loan with PenFed. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what it takes to become a homeowner. And as always, if you find this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks. What is PenFed? Before we dive into the details, let's talk about who PenFed is. PenFed, or the Pentagon Federal Credit Union, is one of the largest credit unions in the country. They offer a wide range of financial services, including mortgage loans. PenFed is known for its competitive rates and excellent customer service. In addition, as a credit union, they are a not-for-profit organization, which means they prioritize their members' interests over maximizing profits. Getting pre-approved. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage loan is an important step in the home buying process. It's essentially a preliminary assessment of your creditworthiness and ability to repay a loan. Pre-approval helps you determine how much house you can afford, so you can focus your home search on properties within your budget. To get pre-approved with PenFed, you can start the process online, over the phone, or in person at a PenFed branch. You'll be asked to provide some basic information about yourself, including your income, employment history, and credit score. You'll also need to provide information about the property you're interested in, such as the purchase price and location. PenFed will use this information to determine how much you can afford to borrow and what your interest rate may be. The pre-approval process typically takes a few days, but it can vary depending on the complexity of your financial situation. It's important to note that pre-approval is not a guarantee that you will be approved for a loan. Once you find a home and submit a loan application, PenFed will review your financial situation in more detail and make a final decision on whether to approve you for the loan. However, pre-approval is still an important step in the process because it gives you a clear idea of your budget and shows sellers that you're a serious buyer. It can also help you move more quickly through the home buying process once you find a property you're interested in. One thing to keep in mind when getting pre-approved is that you'll need to provide a lot of financial information to PenFed. This can include tax returns, bank statements, and pay stubs, among other things. It's important to gather all of this information before starting the pre-approval process, so you can provide it to PenFed in a timely manner. In addition, it's important to remember that pre-approval is only valid for a certain amount of time. If you don't find a home within that time frame, you may need to go through the pre-approval process again. Overall, getting pre-approved for a mortgage loan with PenFed is an important step in the home buying process. It helps you determine how much house you can afford and shows sellers that you're a serious buyer. Choosing a mortgage loan. Once you've been pre-approved, it's time to choose a mortgage loan that works best for you. PenFed offers a variety of loan options, including fixed-rate mortgages, adjustable-rate mortgages, and VA loans. A fixed-rate mortgage has an interest rate that stays the same for the life of the loan. This means that your monthly payments will not change over time, which can be helpful for budgeting. An adjustable-rate mortgage, on the other hand, has an interest rate that can change over time. This means that your monthly payments may increase or decrease depending on the current interest rates. If you are a veteran or active-duty military member, you may be eligible for a VA loan. These loans are guaranteed by the Department of Veterans Affairs and often have lower interest rates and no down payment requirement. It's important to do your research and choose the loan that's best for your individual needs. Applying for a mortgage loan. Once you've found a home you're interested in and have been pre-approved for a mortgage loan with PenFed, it's time to apply for the loan itself. The application process can be complex and time-consuming, but PenFed's team of experienced professionals is there to guide you through every step. To apply for a mortgage loan with PenFed, you can start the process online, over the phone, or in person at a PenFed branch. You'll be asked to provide detailed information about your financial situation, including your income, employment history, and credit score. You'll also need to provide information about the property you're interested in, such as the purchase price and location. PenFed will use this information to assess your creditworthiness and ability to repay the loan. They'll also conduct a thorough review of the property, including an appraisal and inspection, to ensure it meets their standards. It's important to note that the mortgage loan application process can take several weeks, and you'll need to be patient as PenFed conducts its review. They may ask for additional documentation or clarification on certain aspects of your application, so it's important to stay in communication with your PenFed representative throughout the process. Once PenFed has completed its review and approved your loan, you'll be presented with a loan estimate that outlines the terms of the loan, including the interest rate, closing costs, and other fees. It's important to review this estimate carefully and make sure you understand all of the costs associated with the loan before signing. One important thing to keep in mind when applying for a mortgage loan with PenFed is that your credit score will play a major role in the approval process. If your credit score is low, you may not be approved for the loan or may be offered a higher interest rate. To improve your chances of being approved for a mortgage loan with PenFed, it's important to maintain a good credit score by paying your bills on time, keeping your credit card balances low, and monitoring your credit report for errors. Getting approved for a mortgage loan. After you've submitted your mortgage loan application, PenFed will review it and determine whether or not to approve you for the loan. If you're approved, you will receive a loan estimate that outlines the terms of the loan, including the interest rate, monthly payments, and closing costs. It's important to review this estimate carefully and ask any questions you may have before moving forward. Closing on your home. Once you've been approved for a mortgage loan, it's time to close on your home. This is the final step in the home buying process. At closing, you'll sign all of the necessary paperwork and pay any closing costs. These costs typically include fees for things like appraisals, inspections, and title searches. It's important to review all of the paperwork carefully and make sure you understand everything before signing. Your PenFed representative will be there to guide you through the process and answer any questions you may have. Repaying your mortgage loan. Congratulations, you're now a homeowner. But the process doesn't end there. Now it's time to start repaying your mortgage loan. Your monthly payments will include both principal and interest, and you'll need to make them on time each month to avoid late fees or defaulting on the loan. PenFed offers a variety of repayment options, including automatic payments and online payment options. It's important to make sure you understand your repayment options and choose the one that works best for you. Conclusion. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to getting a mortgage loan with PenFed and becoming a homeowner. Remember to take your time, research thoroughly, and work with a trusted lender like PenFed to ensure a successful home buying experience. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice. To get started on your home buying journey, visit the PenFed website or speak with a representative today. Thanks for watching and happy house hunting.